Tutorial 12. Using the catalogs. In this tutorial, you will learn how to find items in the product, shelf tool, and template catalogs. Please make sure to follow the previous tutorials before proceeding further. Product and shelf tool catalogs. Switch to the Products task. On the left, you can see a catalog of the products you have in your database. The products are classified within the 3 hierarchical levels defined in the settings. Each level lists the classification values assigned to the products. To filter products by classification, simply click on the desired value at each level. For example, select beverage at the first level, Coca-Cola for the second, and soda at the third level. The product list now only shows products matching this classification. What if you want to see all the beverages? Select beverage for the first level, then click on the asterisk symbol at the second and third levels. This symbol lets you show products matching any value at the selected level. Try another example. Click on asterisk for the first level, choose Danone at the second level, then asterisk for the third. The product list now displays all the products with the Danone brand, in any category and product line. Note, for efficient catalog browsing, define your 3 classification levels in the settings based on your real product taxonomy, see Tutorial 4. Also make sure to assign classification values to each product in the database. In the product list, each item is displayed with a thumbnail and a caption text. By default, the caption shows the product name, but you can customize this. Click on Settings. Under Product and Shelf Tool Catalogs, Captions and Search, you can choose one or several properties to display under the thumbnails. Reference, name, and custom properties that you may have defined. In our example, we have a custom property labeled Shelving Temperature to know if each product must be frozen, refrigerated, or kept at room temperature. In your case, click on any custom property you have defined. If you don't have any, click on Reference, then close the Settings panel. Click on a new entry in the hierarchy to refresh the view. Each product in the list now shows its name and whichever property you checked. In our case, we can see the shelving temperature. The product reference is shown if you selected that property. You can also find products by entering text in the search box above the product list. Text search will find all the products with thumbnail captions matching your search. For example, type bread and press enter. All the products with bread in their thumbnail captions are displayed. In our case, we can also type refrig bliss to display all refrigerated products in blister packaging. Click on the small delete button to cancel your search and return to the classification mode. Switching to the Shelf Tools task, you will notice the exact same classification and search systems are used to find the desired shelf tools. Template catalog. Finally, switch to the Templates task. This is where you'll find all the saved projects that are flagged as templates. This catalog uses the same principle, with the following differences. Text searches for templates only work for their names because projects have no reference nor custom properties. Classification filtering works the same as for products and shelf tools, but classification values are set in the project list instead of the database. To define classification values for a template project, proceed as follows. Click on Manage to open the list of saved projects. Select the desired project. In this case, Empty Drink Cooler 1 20x2 10x4, which we created in Tutorial 11. Since this project is not a template yet, check Template to make it so. In the category text box, type Fixtures. Click on the Update button to apply your changes. Close the project list. Back in the Templates task, you will see the empty drink cooler listed in the Fixtures category. To summarize, use the catalog classification filtering and text search to quickly find products, shelf tools, and templates that you want to add to your planograms. This tutorial is now finished.